So inverse function. The inverse of a function is a function with domain B and range A, given that the original function has domain A and range B. This inverse function of function f is denoted by f raised to negative 1. It is defined by the equation f raised to negative 1 of y is equal to x if and only if f of x is equal to y for any y in the range B. So since both are functions, then a function has one-to-one for its inverse to be a function at the same time. If it is many-to-one function, its inverse is one-to-many, which is not a function. Okay, it is clearly stated here that if the given is not one-to-one function, the inverse is not a function. So, dapat malinaw sa atin na para mo masabi, sa umpisa pa lang, para hindi ka na ma-stress, sa umpisa pa lang ay masabi mo na kung function, kung one-to-one yung isang function or hindi. Okay, so here we have, for the first example, we have f of x is equal to, say, 4x minus 3. Okay, this one is linear function. Kapag i-graph mo siya, ang graph niya is line. So to verify, o para makita nyo, ganito siya. I-input natin siya rito. 4x minus 3. So this is the graph of 4x minus 3. And as you can see, the graph is a line. And, okay, this is definitely a one-to-one function. Therefore, ang kanyang inverse ay 1-to-1 din. Okay? To make sure kung 1-to-1, syempre, i-compute natin. So, I will show you how to find the inverse of 1-to-1 function. Okay? Napakasimple lang ng gagawin natin. Familiar kayo dito kasi nagawa na natin to. Okay? So, the first step that you're going to do is to replace f of x, okay, by y. Okay? Write it in y form. And the next step is to interchange x and y. Okay, when we say interchange, yung y natin is gagawin natin x, and then yung x ay gagawin natin y. And then the next step that you are going to do is to solve for y. Okay, so x, so lipat palit ng sign, x plus 3 is equal to 4y. And then divide both sides by 4. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 3 over 4. Okay, this is the inverse. Okay, paano mo siya ngayon isusulat? Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano ang itsura niya rito sa graph pag nilagay natin. Okay, so x plus 3 over 4. Now, find the inverse of h of x is equal to 4x plus 8 over x minus 3. So, I know you are familiar with this one kasi kadidiscuss lang natin ito. And this is a rational function. So, sa case ng rational function, there are times na yung rational function ay 1-to-1, pero meron ding cases na hindi. Ngayon, depende yung kung ano yung nahandoon. Sometimes, kapag naging quadratic siya, hindi siya nagiging 1-to-1. Okay? So, depende sa exponent ng x. So, depende kung anong klase yung polynomial na nahandyan. Okay? So, hindi siya pare-pareho. So, you have to check first if that is a one-to-one function. Okay? So, since maano naman ang ating teknolohiya, hindi nyo na kailangan i-graph yan. Oo, yan. Ano nyo, hindi nyo ma-manualing yan. Kasi mahirap yung i-manual. Okay? Okay, so as you can see, this is the graph. Okay, so check muna natin if it is 1-to-1. Yes, this is 1-to-1 function. Okay, so let us compute. First, we are going to replace h of x by y. Okay, then we have your 4x plus 8 over x minus 3. And then the next step is to interchange x and y. So we have 4y plus 8 over y minus 3. Now, alam na natin ang kasunod, okay, by cross product. So we have here, multiply this. So we have your xy minus 3x is equal to 4y plus 8. So the next step that you are going to do is to combine all terms with y. So we have here xy minus 4y, and then transfer or transpose all the terms with x on the other side. Okay, so we have here positive 3x plus 8. Okay, so lahat ng makakasama ng y na walang y, i-transfer niyo sa kabila. And then we have here y, k is equal to x minus 4. If factored out nyo lang yung y. And then we have here 3x plus 8. Okay, then divide both sides by x minus 4. Okay, so y is equal to 3x plus 8 over x minus 4. So now, let us plot this dito. Okay, input natin siya, no? Ayan. Anong napansin nyo? Yung orange, ito siya. So, di ba pareho lang yung kinalabasan? Medyo nag-usod lang siya ng konti. So, function pa rin yung kinalabasan ng inverse. Okay po ba? Halimbawa, y is equal to x cubed plus 1. Okay? Yun. Okay, so this is x cubed plus 1. Okay, so we have here x is equal to y cubed plus 1. And then we have x minus 1 is equal to y cubed. And to solve for y, syempre, by extracting the cube root, we have, okay, the cube root of x minus 1. The cube root of x minus 1. Okay, so, yan, nahuli mo. Kanina ko pa ito hinahanap. Okay, so the blue one is the original function, which is x cubed plus 1. And the second one is the inverse function, which is the cube root of x minus 1. Okay, the inverse function of f of x. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, halos magkahawig sila na parang ano siya, na flip lang siya. Ayan. Kanina ko pa ito hinahanap. Okay, so therefore, pag 1-to-1 yung ating original function, ibig sabihin, function yung kanyang inverse.